Measuring weight. In this video, you will learn about the units used for measuring the weight. First, we will revise what do we mean by weight of any object. The weight of any object is the measure of its heaviness. We use units to express the measurement of weight. Let us learn about two such units. Gram. Gram is the smaller unit of weight. It is used to measure light things. It is written in short form as. For example, we can measure these objects in grams. Let us learn about another unit. Kilogram. Kilogram is the bigger unit of weight. It is used to measure heavy things. It is written in short form as. For example, we can measure these objects in kilograms. Let us now see how do we measure weight and express it using the units. We can measure the weight of an object using a weighing balance. Children, you might have seen this being used by vegetables and fruit sellers. It has two pans. On one pan, we keep the weighing bars and on the other pan, we keep an object. But what is this called? We call it a weighing bar. We use weighing bars to check the weight of an object. These are the different types of weighing bars. Now, look at these objects and their measurement in grams and kilograms. The weight of the book is 100 grams. The weight of the packet of biscuit is 120 grams. The weight of the cauliflower is 500 grams. The weight of the watermelon is 1 kilogram. And the weight of the papaya is 1 kilogram. In this video, you have learned how do we measure weight and the units used for expressing the measurement of the weight.